Well, good morning, everyone. This is your girl, my lady, also known as BK3 Reefing Things. This morning, I'm up early. I am making a reef for a gray vault. This is in a 16-inch. And what I have my mesh here, making them in 3 colors. I'm going to make my base with the white. And I'm going to make my ruffles out of this red, green, and white and a solid green. So let's get started. I got a long ways to go. First, what I'm going to do, let me show you my sign I'm going to put on there. This is a Merry Christmas sign I'm going to put on there. So let's get started here. First, we're going to cut our mesh. We're going to cut these in 22 inches. We're going to need 24 of each. And I'm going to cut them at 22 inches. And I'm going to use my wood burner tool, so I hope it works out fine with this. Some mesh you cannot cut with your wood burning tool, but I think I done used this before and it's gonna do just fine. So we're gonna need 24, and I haven't been on here for a while because I damaged tore a ligament in my knee, so I am trying to get it to heal. I've been laying up because I didn't want to put too much pressure on it. So it's still in the healing process, but I got to make this wreath because I am going out of town for a wedding. And while I'm there, I want to put this Merry Christmas wreath on a grave vault. It's been sitting up for a while because I've been laying up for like over a week. Trying to, because I had to keep ice on it. Then after the ice, I had to put a hot pad on it and I kept it elevated. So it feel a little better, but it's gonna take a few weeks for it to heal completely. And I was putting up Christmas decorations when all of this happened. So that stalled me for my Christmas decoration. This had really have been a busy, busy month for me. Let me make sure you all can see what I'm doing really good. Let's see. I think you can. So I'm gonna need 22 of these each. Not 22, 24 in a 22-inch length. So I'm not even counting them because I know I'm gonna use a whole roll, so it don't make sense to really count them now. So how was y'all Thanksgiving? I hope y'all had a nice Thanksgiving, lots of food, family, friends. I did. My boys came home for Thanksgiving with their girlfriends. So we had a lovely time. We fried a turkey at home for the first time, and they did an awesome job on that turkey. Really been busy for me. I haven't finished putting up my Christmas decoration inside, but my husband did a lot outside when my knee got damaged. So everything is outside. I will be posting some pictures of my outside decor. very soon. Maybe when I come back off of my little trip. I wouldn't call it a vacation. I'm going for a wedding, a December wedding. And it's gonna be at night. Our wedding starts at 7:30, so this will be my first time ever going to a night wedding. But it's supposed to be some beautiful, beautiful wedding. Her colors are eggplant, silver, and antique white. And it's gonna be in New Orleans, so I got to travel to New Orleans. To make up for everything, this is gonna be one long video because I'm gonna finish my whole wreath with you guys. To make up for time I haven't been on live. So if you want to see steps, go ahead and fast forward for them 10 seconds until you get to the next part that you want. I think you can do that on Facebook, but I don't even think Beagles saved their lives. If not, go to my Facebook page. All of my social media sites are VK3 Reefing Things. Go to my YouTube channel. You might can fast forward on YouTube too. So YouTube and Facebook I know for sure. And I don't know whether YouTube still does it, but I know you used to can fast forward on YouTube. But VK3 Reefing Things, Louisa Bell, and Bell Louisa Universe. I will put it on all of my pages in my channel. Because sometimes I don't feel like watching a long video. I would fast forward until I get to the point that I want. But like I said, I am making up for lost time. Now this is just maybe a couple of inches over 22. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these raw edges off. Try to stay in that center, one of the centers that you started out with. And I usually have on my burn-proof gloves, but I think I done graduated a little bit. When I first started with my wood burning cutting mesh, I was always burning myself. But the first of 2023, if the Lord say the same and I'm still here, I'm gonna start in full bloom the first of the year with more and more videos of different projects. Now it's time for me to count. See how many I got off of that one roll. 10, 12, 14, 16. So I'm gonna need 8 more. Go ahead and smooth this out a little bit. It's raining over here in Georgia, South Georgia. And look like every year I put up my Christmas decorations, that's when it started raining. So I hope my husband got everything connected and stuff, so when it rains, it won't go out. Let's see. Let's see if it still be raining tonight. Now I start my countdown. That's one. I'm on my second. I just love this color. It's so festive. So when I heard my knee the first day it happened, that is 2, I didn't feel a thing. Until the next morning, I couldn't even hardly walk. So that's why they say when people's in a car accident, you better go on to the hospital, because you never know what damage it did until later on. That's 3. I don't even know, because I'm live on my website doing a video. I don't know whether these sites gonna withstand the amount of time that I'm gonna be, so we'll see. Okay, this is 4. At 22 inches. 5. And I got this, a lot of people like to know where I got this mesh from. I got this particular mesh here from Hobby Lobby. And I think it was like 40 or 50% off. 6. And they had it in the Christmas section. The day I went and got this mesh, Hobby Lobby was damn near empty. 7. Like it's taking longer for me to get to this little other piece on this row. I got through the 16 fast. To me, it was fast. And the last one. So when you buy mesh, if you're making a wreath, always get 2 of the same. Never get just one if you're planning to make a wreath, no matter what the size of your frame is. Always get you 2. When I first started out, I used to get 1. I was running back and forth to the store so many times. So always be prepared and get you 2. Now, these raw edges are not, well, they got that one piece sticking out. You want to go ahead and nip that in the bud. And I have stressed over and over, never try to cut